Hi, welcome to the RCE Finance Guide, where we will be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. This channel will definitely put you on the right path to becoming financially successful. Are you struggling with planning how to promote your business? Do you lack topics that can engage your audience? Are you confused about what valuable content to produce? No worries. Here's a 30-day social media content strategy for a business in the fitness industry. This plan aims to effectively engage the audience, provide valuable content, and promote the business effectively over the course of a month. Why is effective planning important? Planning helps us see in advance those things that can help us achieve our goal and those things that can prevent us from achieving our goal and work out what to do about them. Planning helps us to be accountable for what we do. In order to achieve the goals and objectives within the plan, you have to implement the 3 C's of strategic planning: communication, connection, and commitment. The planning is the easy part. Executing, on the other hand, requires the 3 C's. So without delay, here's a 30-day social media content strategy for business in the fitness industry. Day 1 to 5. Day 1 Monday. Introduction. Post. Introduce the business, its mission, and the benefits of fitness in a visually appealing post. Hashtag Fitness Monday, Get Fit, and Healthier Lifestyle. Day 2, Tuesday. Share a motivational quote related to fitness along with an image of a person working out. Hashtag Tuesday Motivation, Fitness Quotes, and Keep Going. Day 3, Wednesday. Post a short video demonstrating a simple exercise or stretching routine that followers can try at home. Hashtag Workout Wednesday, Home Fitness and Exercise Demo. Day 4, Thursday. Share a client success story or testimonial with before and after pictures. Hashtag Transformation Thursday, Fitness Journey and Client Success. Day 5, Friday. Offer a limited time discount or promotion on a fitness class or personal training session. Hashtag Fitness Friday, Special Offer and Weekend Workout. Day 6 to 10, Day 6, Saturday. Post an infographic with healthy eating tips and the importance of a balanced diet. Hashtag Weekend Wellness, Healthy Eating and Nutrition Tips. Day 7 Sunday. Share a behind-the-scenes photo or video of a group fitness class in action. Hashtag Sunday Funday, Fitness Community and Group Workout. Day 8 Monday. Post a Q&A session through Instagram stories, answering common fitness-related questions from followers. Hashtag Ask Me Anything, Fitness Quandary, and Expert Advice. Day 9, Tuesday. Collaborate with a local healthy food vendor or smoothie bar, promoting each other's businesses. Hashtag Local Collaboration, Healthy Eats, and Support Local. Day 10, Wednesday. Share a post about the importance of staying hydrated during workouts, including a fun water drinking challenge. Hashtag Workout Wednesday, Hydration Challenge, and Drink Water. Day 11 to 15, Day 11, Thursday. Post a carousel of transformation pictures from different clients, showcasing the effectiveness of your services. Hashtag Transformation Thursday, Fitness Progress, and Before After. Day 12, Friday. Conduct a poll asking followers about their favorite workout style or fitness goal. Hashtag Fitness Friday, Poll Time and Workout Preferences. Day 13, Saturday. Share a short video featuring a quick and effective home workout routine for the weekend. Hashtag Weekend Workout, Home Fitness, and Quick Routine. Day 14, Sunday. Encourage followers to share their fitness goals for the upcoming week in the comments section. Hashtag Sunday Motivation, Fitness Goals, and New Week New Start. Day 15, Monday. Highlight a member of your fitness community, showcasing their fitness journey and dedication. Hashtag Member Spotlight, Fitness Community, and Inspiring Story. Day 16 to 20, Day 16, Tuesday. Share a healthy and easy-to-make recipe that complements a fitness routine. Hashtag Tasty Tuesday, Healthy Recipe and Fitness Fuel. Day 17, Wednesday. Post a teaser of an upcoming fitness challenge or event to create excitement among followers. Hashtag Workout Wednesday, Upcoming Challenge and Fitness Event. Day 18, Thursday. Run a Caption This contest with a funny or inspiring workout image, encouraging followers to participate. Hashtag Caption Contest, Fitness Humor and Funny Workout. Day 19. Friday. Share a time-limited workout playlist on Spotify or YouTube to accompany weekend workouts. Hashtag Fitness Friday, weekend playlist and music motivation. Day 20. Saturday. Host a live workout session on Instagram or Facebook for followers to join from home. Hashtag weekend workout, live fitness, and sweat together. Day 21 to 25. Day 21. Sunday. Post a throwback picture of the business's early days and share a brief story about its journey. Hashtag Throwback Sunday, business journey, and fitness evolution. Day 22. Monday. Share a series of quick fitness tips throughout the day, such as proper form for specific exercises. Hashtag Fitness Tips, Monday Motivation, and Form Matters. Day 23. Tuesday. Collaborate with a local fitness influencer to do an Instagram takeover and cross-promote each other. Hashtag Tuesday Takeover, Influencer Collab, and Fitness Partner. Day 24. Wednesday. Post a transformation collage of your business's clients, comparing their progress over the years. Hashtag Workout Wednesday, Transformation Journey, and Fitness Results. Day 25. Thursday. Run a 24-hour flash sale on select fitness merchandise or equipment. Hashtag Flash Sale, Limited Time Offer, and Fitness Gear. Day 26 to 30. Day 26. Friday. Share a heartfelt testimonial from a client who has achieved significant health improvements through your services. Hashtag Fitness Friday, Client Testimonial, and Healthy Living. Day 27. Saturday. Host a virtual fitness challenge with a unique hashtag, encouraging followers to participate and share their progress. Hashtag Fitness Challenge, Virtual Workout, and Fitness Journey. Day 28. Sunday. Share a series of inspirational quotes related to health, fitness, and well-being. Hashtag Sunday Motivation, Fitness Quotes, and Inspiration. Day 29. Monday. Announce a giveaway where followers can win a free month of fitness classes or personal training sessions. Hashtag Giveaway, Fitness Freebies, and Win with Yous. Day 30. Tuesday. Recap the 30-day social media journey, expressing gratitude to the followers and encouraging them to stay connected. Hashtag Thank you, social media journey, and stay connected. Remember to adjust the content based on the platforms you use. Example Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and analyze the engagement to refine your strategy further. Always keep your audience's interests and needs in mind, and aim to provide value through your content. Good luck! We hope you learned a lot in this video. Please share this video with your friends who are also interested in learning how to promote their fitness business in the social media. Your friend will really thank you for sharing this video. As always, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you will be notified when we drop our next video. Take care!